Answer shit like me is baby mama had. Hood, it get terrible. In the phone.
I still got a lot more. So I get these two, I still got these two, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So did they get you a return on that, or you had to buy it again?
I got lucky, bro. So they
probably,
bro. It made sense.
It's the first time.
The fucking door that they opened was like where I keep all the. I don't know to get anything. Either way, they had a different incident like a couple months. Amazon, right? Yeah. That's how I figured out. It's on Amazon Prime Video. It's true, bro.
Yeah, made me feel like I ain't had it like that. I was at.
No.
That's disgusting, bro.
No, bro.
Hell no.
Tattoo artists have a hard job like that, bro.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Like semi-retirement?
Yeah, 10-9, that's the first.
Yeah.
That's what I shoot.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yes, sir. God bless you, man. Yes, sir. Happy days.
Yeah, fucking. Yeah, that's what that.
Starting off with our 3 guard all the way open, we're going to use our comb to feed the hair into the clipper and we'll debulk the back. Now that we're done debulking, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You want to make this guideline around 1 inch thick so you can spread the blend, especially when you're near the occipital bone. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way close and attack that initial guideline. You always want to detail as much as possible, especially when you're near the occipital bone, because the hair follicles is a little bit more denser and you do have the bone that is called the occipital bone that does obscure the view. Don't be afraid to stretch the skin to give you more room to blend. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our 3rd guideline. Remember, we're going to use this same guard and its leverage to soften up this line to get ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up this line with the 1 guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to use this guard to create our 4th guideline, and remember to flick out once you reach the top. Once we're done using the lever to soften up the line with the 2 guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now I'm using the clipper over comb method to debulk the calic area. I always use my horizontal cuts to debulk and my vertical cuts to blend, and I'm always pulling the comb at a certain angle. Now that we're done with the back, we can move on to our Gold FX and make our C-cups as crispy as possible. I always use the corner of the blade and start off at the bottom, working my way to the top arch. Now that we're done lining up his C-cups, we could go ahead and move on to the top and use our shears. I usually make my guideline through the middle and then connect it to the sides. You also want to make sure that the hair is nice and saturated so you can get this true length. When picking up the hair with your fingers, you always want to use clean and consistent strokes. As you guys can see, now we're connecting the same guideline to the sides. We're also cutting it at an angle. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a super thanks down below or follow the Instagram. Again, when you're lining up the C-cups, you always want to keep them natural and use the corners of the blade.